Your biggest competitor just spent $50,000 testing what marketing actually works in 2026. And you can discover their secret in under 3 minutes. Plus, it's free. Ciao, I'm Andrea, the SEO chef, and today I'm showing you how to funnel hack your competitors. Funnel hacking is basically saying exactly what's working for them, so you don't waste money guessing. Is the thing about restaurant business, and we all know it. We don't have time or money to waste on marketing that doesn't work. Your competitor down the street might be smashing with their online booking, while you're still wondering why your Facebook ads aren't bringing anyone in. But think about it. What if you could see exactly what they're doing? What ads are they running and how they're getting reviews? And what offers they're promoting? That's called funnel hacking. And it's how smart restaurant owners like you stay ahead without reinventing strategies. Before we dive in, if you want to get more strategies like this to grow your restaurant online without wasting money on things that they don't work, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell. I share new tricks every week to help restaurant owners like you get more bookings. It's my 4-step process to uncover what's actually working for your competitors. Step 1. Identify your real digital competitors. Forget the restaurant next door. Your real competitors are the restaurants that show up when someone searches for your type of food online. Let's do this exercise. Go to Google and search Asian restaurant near me or whatever comes to mind. The top 5 Google results are those who steals your customers. Write down their names. We're gonna spy on all of them. Step number 2. Become their customer. Here's when it gets interesting. You're going to become their customer digitally. Follow them everywhere. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Sign up for their email list. Like their Google Business profile. Even download their app if they have one. Why? Because you'll see every ad, every promotion, and every message they show only to potential customers. Step 3. Use Facebook's free spy tool. This is my favorite trick. Did you know you can see every single ad your competitor are running right now? Go to Facebook Ad Library. Search your competitor's business name and boom! Every active ad they're running appear. The images, the copy, and how long they've been running that for. If they've been running the same ad for months, it's probably working. That's gold information right there. Step 4. Map the customer journey. Pretend you're hungry and want to book a table. Go through their online process of booking. Get to know how they guide people from browsing to making a booking. Do they offer first-time customer discount? What is their call to action? And how many steps to make a reservation? You see, the easier they make it, the more bookings they will get. Here's an example. A pizzeria owner was wondering why the new place across the street was always busy. So we funnel hacked them. Turn out, they weren't just advertising pizza. The Facebook ads showed families laughing together with the headlines. Finally, a Sunday lunch where parents can actually finish a conversation. They were selling the feeling, not just the food. The original pizzeria was posting plain pizza photos. The competitor was marketing family experiences. Do you understand the difference? Same food, completely different approach. You can guess which one was working better. Now, here's what I want you to do this week. Pick your top 3 online competitors and go through step 1 and 2. Just start following the digital presence. Don't try to copy and analyze everything at once. Start to look for the patterns. Then, next week, you can start adapting their best ideas to your restaurant. What's the smartest move you've seen a competitors do? Tell me in the comments below. I read and reply to all of them. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. I share weekly marketing tips for you to grow your restaurant online. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Ciao for now.